Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am thankful to the International Secretary of Theosophical Society for giving me this honor of welcoming today's speaker, Shri M, and introducing him to you people. On behalf of the President and the Theosophical Society, sir, I accord you a very warm welcome in our premises here. The other part of introducing him, I find it difficult. I will try. Today we live in an age, what we call a scientific age, an age of science and technology. While day before yesterday you heard the talk where you find that the scientific image of the universe, of existence is highly complex and mathematical. The paradigm on which it is based is not only very simple, but to some extent naive. According to this paradigm, we live in a universe which is scattered with bits of matter, and all these bits of matter combined or break away from each other through fixed natural laws, immutable natural laws. They keep combining from fundamental particles. They become atoms and molecules, and which recombine in complex ways to form inorganic and organic material. And further, through further combinations, the complexity gives rise to a new thing called life. Life is taken as an emergent property of the complexity of combining of matter. And still further, as life becomes more complex from a single cell to multicellular, we suddenly have the slow emergence or sudden emergence of consciousness. Now this paradigm has got very big holes. Yet, and many serious thinkers and scientists, including Albert Einstein or Erwin Schrödinger, they were deeply troubled by it. But this science has given us today the computer, the internet, wonderful war machines, hence it has become adorable. We live in an era, what is called, of exponentially growing information and knowledge, but sadly what I say, shrinking wisdom. Since time immemorial, ancient times, there were people called sages and mystics who tried to look at the universe from the other end of the barrel. Instead of looking at the observable world, they started from examining the observer. Who are you? Who are you observing? What is your consciousness? What is a consciousness? And breaking through this veil of ordinary consciousness, they're able to see a world and come to the conclusion that there's far more in heaven and earth, as it said, and far many worlds which the modern science can even think of. It is in this regard that today we have a speaker who is not only very erudite, but like a sage who had his personal experience and glimpse of this other world. I remember a long time back, I went through his book, Apprentice to a Himalayan Master. For a while, it challenges your thinking. It makes you rethink over this. And today, in Flesh and Blood, he is before us to talk of this perennial philosophy, so-called the ancient wisdom. I invite him, sir. The wisdom of the ancients. Thank you. You'll be speaking.
The subject given to me, I don't know who selected it. Maybe I didn't know. I didn't. Oh, okay. Maybe Lakshmi, my secretary. Anyway, so the subject is wisdom of the ancients. What I want to say is very simple and straightforward. That this knowledge and wisdom which has come down to us has come down from immemorial times. Once upon a time, it was, I think, in many ways scattered all over the world in different wisdom religions. We cannot, of course, deny the fact that this country has been a source of nurturing and perhaps founding some of the main streams of this inquiry into the wisdom of the ancients. This we cannot deny. But there have been other traditions all over the world which have looked into this and come out with understanding that as you separate the real from the unreal, you come to the same point, which is common to all. I mean, this was also the reason, I think this was also one of the tenets of the Theosophical Society, that there are wisdom religions or teachings of wisdom all over the world, in all parts of the world, and that in essence they come from the same source. As far as India is concerned, I don't know much about the other wisdom religions, a little bit about the Kabbalah maybe, and a little bit about Greek philosophy, some Sufi teachings and so on. But what I am deeply involved because of the patience and kindness and wisdom of my master, Maheshwaranath Babaji, who belonged to the Nath tradition. Although he belonged to the Nath tradition, he did not strictly fit into any such category. He was a man who had no footwear, who wore just a loincloth and travelled everywhere on foot. But the wisdom that he carried cannot be grasped even if you jet set every day from one country to another. So this is the source from which I have understood. So he always laid stress on the teachings of the Upanishads. The Upanishads are among the most ancient teachings we have today, which take you directly to the understanding of our inner being and its connection and link with the Supreme Being. This is the Upanishad. So since the subject is wisdom of the ancients, I am talking about the ancients here, in this country, the Rishis. The word Rishi, in fact, need not always have a religious connection. Any serious researcher into any field is a Rishi in some way. So I would say spiritual Rishis who, when the rest of the world was probably looking at technology and advancement in material terms, here was a band of people who were seriously delving into the secrets of the mind and that which is beyond the mind. And they did it not through proselytization, not through converting someone from one idea to another, but by encouraging a dialogue between two people. If you look into the Upanishads, you will find that major part of the Upanishad consists of dialogues between the teacher, the Rishi, and the disciple. Well, this is clear, that without a teacher, the teaching cannot be given. And therefore, the one who takes the teachings automatically becomes a disciple. You need not follow conventional definitions of a disciple or a teacher, but it's there. You cannot deny it. Now the Upanishads, therefore, are also called Vedanta because they come at the end portion of the Vedas. When I say end portion, there is a general feeling among many people that the Vedas consist only of the Samhita portions, which is Rigveda Samhita, Yajurveda Samhita, Samaveda Samhita, Atharvana Veda Samhita. No. The word Veda includes the Samhita portion on one hand, the Brahmana portion, which is the ceremonial portion, on the other, and after that the Aranyakas and the Upanishads. In fact, some of the Upanishads cannot be distinguished from the Aranyakas, but the word Aranyaka means things that were taught in the forest. The word used in Sanskrit for a forest is aranya. Now this is why this setting is ideal, not the number of people sitting here, I mean the setting of a number of trees. I heard night there are jackals here and snakes, all kinds of things. This is what they meant by an aranya. So I was not very unhappy when I heard that there are very few residents here. I said, that's a nice way to study things, too many things. Even the Satsang Foundation, of which I am the founder, has become too busy these days. Too many people. So anyway, sitting in this environment, in the Aranya, they studied and went deep into the wisdom of the Vedas. Vedas, the Samhita, the Brahmana, and the Upanishad. Therefore, since the Upanishad comes at the end of these portions, it's called Vedanta, that's all. Veda and Anta, end of the Vedas. Adi Shankara in his commentaries also said that it's called Vedanta because when this is understood, it's the end of all, there is no need to study anything else, it's over and done with. There's another reason why it's called Vedanta. Okay. Now there are many Upanishads. There are more than 100 Upanishads or so. Some are called the principal Upanishads and some are minor Upanishads, some are early Upanishads and some are later Upanishads. For instance, I'm so happy that there is a set of Upanishads, about 20, 22 in number, which are called the Yoga Upanishads. If you look at any of the texts available on yoga, you will trace their origin to this Yoga Upanishads. Unfortunately, they were not available in English for a long, long time. And I must say this with great delight and thankfulness that the Theosophical Society has a translation of, I think, about 20 or 22 Yoga Upanishads. English translation, and very well done. It was translated into Tamil by Upanishad Brahmendra, the great saint who lived in Kanchipuram. But to put it in English is a very big thing. And the practical training of yoga, again, I must recommend to everybody that if you are practicing yoga, please read the translation and commentary by Taimini, which is also available here. I'm not saying this because I am fond of this. This is why I'm saying, because it takes you away from a kind of a straight-jacketed definition of Upanishads and yoga to something much wider in context. So, out of all the Upanishads, there are 11 Upanishads which are called the principal Upanishads. And the principal Upanishads mostly come either from the Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda, Shukla Yajurveda, or Samaveda and Atharvana Veda, and so on. There are very few principal Upanishads which trace their source to the Rig Veda, although the great Gayatri Mantra comes from the Rig Veda. Okay. Now, why are they called principal Upanishads? Because all the great acharyas, starting with the known ones, like Adi Shankara, but there seem to have been translators before that, because when Adi Shankara comments upon the principal Upanishad, he sometimes refers to some others and tries to refute them and so on. There must be something, but the most popular one, known one, is Adi Shankara in his Advaita translation of the Upanishads, principal Upanishads. Then there are also translations of the Upanishads by Ramanujacharya, who preached a system called the Vishishtadvaita. Advaita with a little modification. That's what it means, Vishishtadvaita, new Advaita. And of course Madhva, who was a dualist, also translated and commented on some of the Upanishads. And then of course there was Vallabhacharya and Nimbarka and any number of, because in India people spend a lot of time studying this. So we have them. Now of the principal Upanishads, before we go into that, what is the meaning of the word Upanishad? Let's look into this first. They're the essence, the jewel of the wisdom that we have in this country, and which is not only confined to this country, confined to humanity. Upanishad doesn't choose who it is talking to, whether you belong to this country or that country, or this race or that race. It addresses you directly as a human being with your likes and dislikes, and your pleasure and pain, and your belief and disbelief, human beings per se. So, the word Upanishad comes from 3 syllables. One is the first one, Upa. Now, Upa in Sanskrit means close, not shut, but close, to move close. People say, I'm doing Upavasa. Means I'm traveling on that circuit which takes me closer to the truth. That is what it means. Although now Upavasa simply means eating special foods, not even fasting. I don't eat rice, but I eat something else. Okay. I think sometimes if you eat the Upavasa food for many days, you may put on more weight than having normal food. Anyway, well, good practice. Anyway, so Upa is to move closer to the truth, one. Why closer to the truth? Because when you go too close to the truth, you don't exist anymore. There's only the truth. The only thing you can say is to go close. Then it also means, the word close also means, it was something that was taught in close quarters between the teacher and the taught, sitting together and talking to each other. There were no loudspeakers, there were no microphones, there was no Google, no YouTube. Many people come to me and say, oh, we know all about you from YouTube. I say, please, that's YouTube, this is iTube. Let's talk. So anyway, this Upa also means to sit close. In ancient times, the teacher and the disciple sat close to each other and discussed serious things. That also is the reason why it's called Upa. It's also called Rahasya because it was not loudly proclaimed or advertised. It was a personal wisdom given to individuals who wanted to figure out what the truth is all about. This Upa. Then I'm keeping the ni, reserving it at the end. Shad. The last syllable, shad. Shad implies physically, normally, literally, it means to sit down. Which means, when you're listening or learning something, you need to sit down. Actually, it's also good to sit down when you eat. All fast foods are eaten standing up. Maybe one of the reasons for our digestive problems, I don't know. So, sitting down is shad. But it's not enough if you physically sit down. I can physically sit here, but my mind can be walking, wandering. So sit here also means, shad means the body sits, the mind sits, the mind settles down, and then there is a dialogue between the teacher, a samvad between the teacher and the taught. Or teacher and the taught sound like somebody else, so let me say disciple and the master. So, now there is a little word ni, right, in between linking the two. The ni here indicates the attitude in which the knowledge is received. I can only compare it to the Hindi word which is derived from it, niche, that means down. It means many things. Down means ni, also means down to earth, one. Second, it means the attitude of the disciple or the student in relation to the teacher. The student, if the student starts listening to the teacher by saying, I know everything, there's no way it can register what's being said. And the teachings of the Upanishad are called Shruti. Shruti is something which you hear. It's not something that you can go home, read, underline, think about it and forget about it also many times. Shruti is when the mind is fresh, when the mind's attitude is clear and it's in a receiving mode, M-O-D-E. When it clears itself of all the prejudices it carries, I know that. When such a student listens, the Shruti immediately has an effect. Otherwise, it gets caught up in various interpretations and is lost. So this also, it means the vessel that receives is down and the vessel that gives is up. Not physically. Even physically, if you want to pour something from something to another, you cannot do it like this. And also, it has to have space, empty. If it is not empty, whatever is poured into it will overflow and come out. So this attitude between the teacher and the student, where the student sits close to the teacher with great respect and listens to what is being said as if he is listening for the first time and absorbs the Shruti. If you put all these things together, it becomes the Upanishad. Now, therefore, if this is occurring somewhere, it need not even belong traditionally to what we call the Upanishads. It's happening. Then what is happening also becomes Upanishad. Right? So, this is the meaning of the word Upanishad. Now, since we are talking about ancient wisdom, and much of that I know is derived from these sources, I would like to look at a couple of, we don't have time to look at an entire Upanishad, even though the shortest Upanishad has only 12 verses. But then please understand, the Mandukya Upanishad, which has only 12 verses, Acharyas have written thousands of pages of commentaries on it. So if you go into it, it goes on and on. So I'll only pick up a few points from the Upanishads to illustrate what this wisdom is that has come down to us for, at a conservative estimate, 2000 years ago. Very conservative estimate. One Upanishad. Except from one Upanishad. The Chandogya Upanishad has a beautiful dialogue between the great Rishi Uddalaka Aruni and his son. Somebody has forgotten how to switch off the phone. Technology. Thank you, sir. So, Uddalaka Aruni's son has gone to study what we call the truth. And he has come back. And it's okay. One of the things you learn in the Upanishads is how to listen even when there is a noise going on. It's just the voice of the silence. So, so he says to him, the Rishi says to his son, have you understood the truth? So the son says, I think I have. The Rishi's mind, what reflects is, if he thinks he has, then he hasn't understood it. If he has understood it, he has understood it. So what do you do about it? Shows him a banyan tree there. So go see the banyan tree, yes. We had a huge banyan tree here. Is it still existing? Okay. See the banyan tree there? Go pick up a seed from there. So he picks up a seed from the banyan tree, brings it to him. Says, now, what do you see? He says, I see the skin. I said, okay, peel it. He peels it. What do you see now? I see the kernel inside. Kernel. Okay? He said, peel it. Peels it. Now what do you see? He says, I see tiny little black seeds inside. He says, pick up one of these seeds. I'm showing you how the Upanishad operates. Pick up one of the seeds, split it. What do you see? He says, I see nothing. And the father says to the son, it is from this nothing that this whole tree has come, this banyan tree. It means two things. It means nothing does not mean nothing. It means no thing. Sorry, but some people have this misunderstanding about shunya, for instance. So shunya means nothing. It doesn't mean nothing. It means no thing. It's that from which this entire universe has come and goes back into. So it cannot be nothing. It is something, but we cannot define it. Therefore they call it shunya, while the Vedantin might call it purna. Terms are different. And there also you reach by eliminating everything that is not the truth till there is only the truth left. So, this is one example I gave you from the Chandogya Upanishad. I cannot but not refer to the Mandukya. The Mandukya Upanishad has only 12 verses. It is the shortest Upanishad. It does not tell you what to do, what not to do, or anything of that kind. It simply discusses something which is common to all humanity, all human beings. And what is common to all of us? Apart from eating and drinking Coke, what is common? I don't. What is common to all of us? The waking state. I hope we are in the waking state. If it's too boring, one might slip. The waking state, which the Upanishad calls Jagrat, Jagrita Avastha. The dream state, which is also common to all of us, Swapna Avastha. Daydreaming, night dreaming, all. Then Shushupti, which is deep sleep, dreamless sleep, which also we are familiar with. And then the Upanishad says there is something beyond which is called Turiya. Turiya is not a state, it is the witness through all the three states. The Upanishad says while the witness is the same, the states may change, and therefore none of these states are permanent. In the dream state, the dream is so real. It's only when you wake up, then you decide it's a dream. What if one day we wake up from now, in so-called waking state, stretch our limbs and say, that was a long dream. You won't believe it now, of course. Would you believe in a dream that you're dreaming? No. So there's something that triggers this understanding. And that is called Turiya. It is the witness through all the states, not affected by all the things that are happening. To find this witness is the essence of the Upanishad. Now, therefore the Upanishad interprets Om with the three letters of Om using these three states. The normal interpretation of Om is the sound, primeval sound for creation, O for preservation, and Om for destruction. or transformation, which means if you want to speak again, you have to open your mouth. It's finished for the time being. This is the usual, and therefore this is Satchidananda, the Supreme Being. The Upanishad says, A is the waking state, O is the dream state, and Om, Brahma, is the Shushupti or deep sleep, the dreamless deep sleep. But then, whenever you chant Om or write Om, there's something called the Ardhamatra, which means it's usually represented by a crescent and a little dot up. So when you say Om, you don't say like Om. Once I was in an ashram where people never wanted to use people's names. They always called each other Om. The only problem was when you were angry, it became Om. It was when you're happy, it's Om, how are you? So it is not that Om stops there. I just thought about it. Om, when you chant Om, is Om. You see, the continuation of the Ardhamatra, unsaid sound, leading to that which lives in silence. I'm not going to use the word voice of the silence because it's already a book now, already written by somebody. So anyway, none other than HPB, because of whom all this is happening here. She started it all off. Remarkable lady, I must say. Someone who had some masters who guided her to do this. Anyway, we'll not go into that because many opinions on it. I will not go into it. I can only say that all of you who are seriously interested in the wisdom of the ancients, whether you listen to my talk or you don't, please do read the Secret Doctrine. And while you read the Secret Doctrine, I'm not saying this because it's a Theosophical Convention, my library also has the book. While you read it, don't forget that there is a small little booklet written by her which says how to read the Secret Doctrine, how to understand this teaching of Theosophy. A little booklet. Please don't forget to read that. You may also, if you want to explore the secrets, the ancient wisdom of other countries and other nations, you may also read this wonderful text of 2 volumes called The Eyes is Unveiled, but it's very scattered and you might get very confused, but it's worth it. Having said that, okay. So, the teaching of the Upanishads is how to find that which is permanent in the midst of this changing universe, which of course, as the scientist said, you must have heard a scientist speak yesterday. It's a changing universe which is always undergoing change. In this changing universe, the Upanishad says, now I'd like to refer to one little Upanishad, which again has only 18 verses and comes from the Yajurveda. It's actually the last part of the Yajurveda. The Ishavasya Upanishad. Ishavasya Upanishad gives a beautiful definition to the world which is called Jagat, this universe. It says, Ishavasya idam sarvam, yatkincha jagatyam jagat, tena tyaktena bhunjita magradha kasya svidhanam, which means Ishavasya, that supreme reality, pervades everything here. Please watch the word here, now, not after death. Here, what does it pervade? This Jagat, this world, this universe, not world, which is called Jagat because Jagatyam, Jagat, because it is constantly moving. The Jagat is called Jagat because it's constantly Jagatyam, moving. One form to another, one state to another, I would even say one realm to another. It keeps moving. There's nothing that does not move. The earth moves, the planets move, the systems move. the galaxy moves. If you want to find out about your mind, does it move? Well, it's always moving. That is the biggest problem. Maybe one day it becomes still and you understand the essence. It's moving. So this world, actually this whole Jagat is partly seen, mostly seen, as we see it, is because the mind is in constant movement. The mind is constantly jagatyam, moving. Therefore, you see only the movement. You don't see the ground from which the movement takes place. We see the waves, we don't see the ocean. Maybe when the waves are still, you cannot conceive of an ocean without waves, of course. But if the mind can be considered an ocean, perhaps there is a situation where the waves have ceased and there is only silence. So, Ishavashu there, then it says something very interesting. It says, Tena tyaktena bhunjita, let go and rejoice. Ma gridha kasya svidhanam, don't covet other person's wealth, because this whole wealth belongs to the universe. It doesn't belong to you and me. It belongs to the universe. Therefore, let go and rejoice. Which means if somebody is happy, don't feel bad. He is not depriving you of anything. Instead, rejoice in the other person's happiness also, apart from yours. Because you and I are separated in a very artificial manner. We are all one in one way. Even as human beings, with the same states of consciousness, with the same desires, with the same fears, we are one. The mind has to be one because, look, I may have fear of one thing. You may have a fear of another thing, right? But the common factor is what? Fear. Forget the object, fear. So definitely there is one mind working. I may hate something, I may be angry with something, you may be angry with something else, but anger is there in us. We are common in the same way. When everything is quiet, when the mind, ordinary, what we call the mind, has subsided, there is one quietness which is a common factor of all living beings. And that quietness is which, when it sometimes occurs to our mind which has subsided, is called the voice of the silence. It's not somebody whispering in. If you hear somebody talking to you, then it needs psychiatric attention. I mean, it's not that. It's when everything is silent, there is something which is speaking. This is the voice of the silence. And the Upanishads have called it the Supreme Brahman. You may refer to as Shunya if you like, because it's when nothing else remains. This I can go on because there are many Upanishads, and since it is the wisdom of the ancients which I chose, you said, or given to me, so I'm speaking on this. Now, I have 1 hour. We have a few more minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm ready to take up the old dialogue form of Samvada. However, there was one gentleman who was somewhere here, who is there, who asked me a question while I was talking to the young Theosophists today. A group of young Theosophists met me, spearheaded by the young lady sitting there. First of all, I'm very glad when I see young people getting into this. And now my satsangs, there are more young people than old people. I'm so happy about that. And when I say young and old, please remember I consider myself young. I'm 73. It's a state of mind more than anything else. Anyway, so the question he asked was, that you had a very traditional background. You went off to the Himalayas at the age of 19. You spent time with a master and other masters and other teachers. And then when I read your autobiography, I also find that at some point you have been associated with Krishnamurti. And you have been part of the Krishnamurti Foundation, not now, been part of the Krishnamurti Foundation. And Krishnamurti says no guru or master is necessary. So how do you put these things together? Is it a contradiction? Are you putting two things together? How do you do this? Or what did you do? I think roughly that was the question. I said, I'm going to expose your question in public. That's why I'm saying that. I refused to answer him. I said, let everybody hear this. Okay. First, I do not deny, I cannot, that all that I have got came because I had a teacher. So, I personally believe, it's my conviction, that to know anything, you definitely need a teacher. Right. So, when I went to the Krishnamurti Foundation, I didn't actually go by myself, although I have listened to the talks and I have read some books and so on, especially commentaries on living. It's an excellent text. It was Maheshwarnath Babaji, my so traditional master, who said, go there. Stay there for some time. Study, see what's going on. I said, but Babaji, this is... He said, no, do that. I said, maybe that one needs to have a dialogue is being carried to the extreme, perhaps. Huh? Then he told me that even J.K., no disrespect, please, even he had many teachers at one time. Of course, now it's not discussed, but if you read the 1,000 Lives of Alcyon, how many masters? Well, he reached a certain stage when he probably did not require that. I understand that much. But I must tell you, I can't go personally into many of these things. I wish I had a recording instrument hidden in mine, but I was not working for the CIA, so I didn't have anything. So, I've had several one-on-one, one-to-one discussions with Krishnaji. I have great respect for him. I left the foundation because I was not agreeing with many things. Because I thought, to say that all tradition is useless is like throwing the baby out with the bath water. 2, when one day, you know how he spoke, very abrupt many times. So, we were pretty close in some way. So one day, at one of the talks here, he said, throw all your holy books into this river. There's nothing out there. Okay, I was very young. In fact, at some point I was fixing the microphone for him during the last talks. He didn't want anybody else to come. Now look, somebody who says is beyond all this, one day he says, nobody should come near me. Why, sir? Don't. Who will fix the mic? You fix the mic. Okay. He said this, throw away all your books. So, okay. Who am I? I mean, he's a big man. So, the next day or the third day, last talk maybe, he said, I have not read any of these books. I have not read any of these books. I didn't know whether to believe this or not, because I'm sure at least when he was growing up in the Theosophical Society, he must have read many books. But anyway, maybe he didn't, he threw it off. Okay. So that evening I said, I need to discuss this matter. I said, sir, you said, throw all your books into. There's nothing in them. 2 days later, you are saying, because what you say is accepted as gospel truth by many people. You are a prominent man. And the third day you say, I have not read any of the books. I said, sir, if you have not read any of the books, how do you know that there's nothing in them? It's a very simple, practical question. But I must admit that he did not get angry with me. That is something notable. Something was there. The man was not normal. Extraordinary. So when people say we want to become like Krishnamurti, I wonder, because I think he's born like that. You cannot become. You can't say, I want to lose all my memories. Then you suffer from amnesia. You can't do it otherwise. He was probably born that way. Anyway, so he said, you're right, sir, but I don't need any of those books. I said, sir, look, please. Now this is something different. Because you may not need it. There may be somebody else who needs it. And since people accept your words as gospel truth, we have to be careful with what we are saying. Again, believe me, this is what I appreciate. He said, you're right, I have to be careful with what I say. Okay, this is one side. Because this question was asked to me, I think it's good to learn from all quarters. If it makes you whole, if it makes you grow, there is no harm in learning. If you go back to the ancient Indian teachings, systems of thought, there have been Ajivikas who are atheists. There have been the Buddhists who actually do not answer the question if there is God or there is no God. The Jains themselves do not believe in Ishvara concept of God, but they are all considered to be streams of the same wisdom. So one shouldn't look at the contradictions, but try to look at what we can get from these. Now, regarding the masters, I'm talking about the Theosophical masters. I don't know whether I should say this or not, because it was not recorded. People can deny it. I didn't have a tape recorder. But since I'm here, I as well say this. There was someone, I won't put names, sitting at the dining table and criticizing the masters of the Theosophical Society. I was the youngest man at the dining table at that time. After about 10 minutes of criticizing by somebody else, saying about how some masters had green eyes and this and that. This man suddenly stopped his breakfast. His face was red. He put one hand on the other person's head. I've never seen him put his head so hard on anybody. And he said, listen, dear, don't talk about things that you don't know. And then he said, I really wish I had a tape. He said, K has never denied the masters. He has only denied the caricatures which were made out of them. So when you examine such people and their lives and their teachings, one has to be very careful before forming a judgment. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not supporting him or not. That's not what I'm trying to do. Since you asked me the question, he loved to listen to Vedic chants. I have on several occasions heard him do it, invite people to come and chant. So one day he said, it's very beautiful, isn't it? I said, yes, sir, very beautiful. Hypnotic, right? I said, yes, sir. That's the problem. And then, look at this carefully. Here's a man who did yoga asanas and pranayama every day. Every day, at least when he was too ill till then, because I was living in Vasant Vihar many hours. And was a vegetarian, in some way more traditional than the traditionalist. And yet, he had this. So, the thing is, whether some people admit it or not, this ancient wisdom that we have is so many multifaceted that it manifests itself in slightly different ways through different lives and to different teachings. This is something we need to look at carefully. When the Upanishad says, the Rig Veda says, Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vedanti, there is one truth. The wise may call it by different names. It's talking about that source of eternal wisdom which we have with us. The problem arises when we say this is the right, then that is the wrong. This is the problem. It's so wide. The human mind is so limited that to grasp the unlimited, it can only do to some extent. So, this is the wisdom that has been given to us, that has come to us. So my suggestion, request, that before forming conclusions, please go deeper into these subjects. Whether master exists or masters don't, how do you know? Don't take sides. If you ask me personally, yes. But you may not agree, fine, that's okay with me. Since we are on the subject, I also suggest that you read a beautiful dialogue between somebody called Swami Venkatesh Ananda, who actually has written a beautiful translation and commentary on the Yoga Vasishta. It is a very advanced Vedantic text. And there is a dialogue between him and Krishnamurti. In this book, I think it's in the collection called This Matter of Intelligence or something like, I'm not sure exactly. But I was present when the discussion was recorded. First, when this young Swamiji comes in, Krishnamurti refuses to sit down. His flesh, and he said, no, you are the one who is wearing the color which is ancient, color of wisdom. So you sit, then I sit. Okay, and he is much older than him. And then there's a discussion. And Venkateshananda never lets go of his conviction that you need a teacher, you need a master. And finally Krishnamurti ends up by saying, maybe I didn't need one. He said, sir, maybe, but... So, I think I rest my case. Any other questions which we have? Not all, so many questions. We have 10 minutes.
How do we answer, who am I? Okay, it is answered by different people in a different way. How do you answer?
Sir, that was an aggressive question. The voice itself was very aggressive. I thought you might throw the mic. Anyway, so, sir, this who am I question, I must tell you a little story first. Have you seen an old movie called what is that? The Party? A Peter Sellers movie called The Party. Very funny movie. Peter Sellers pretends to be an Indian and that acts as an Indian. So the thing is that in the middle of the party, this guy has gone to the West for the first time and he doesn't know where to relieve himself. He's looking at all the rooms, they all look quite luxurious, so he doesn't know whether this is the place where one needs to. Okay. Finally, after trying many doors, he barges into one door, opens it, and there's a huge, big gentleman, a Westerner, and there's a young lady in bed with him. So naturally he gets very upset. So he goes to him, catches him by the collar and picks him up. So he's hanging in midair because he's a big guy. He brings him close and said, "Who the hell do you think you are?" Peter Sellers says, in India we don't think who we are, we know who we are. You know, what I mean to say is the great Ramana Maharshi, Tiruvannamalai, found through understanding, looking at this question of who am I, that when everything is still and when you find the essence of yourself, you are none other than the truth. What I want to sound to you is that Ramana Maharshi was not an ordinary man like you and me. He was born a gifted boy. At the age of 15, he felt that he was not his body. How many people feel that at that age? Do we? I mean, does most people feel like that? Today, if you say that, you might be taken to a psychiatrist. But anyway, you know. And then, when he discovered, with no teacher, believe me, no guidance, no teacher, no reading of philosophy, one fine night he wakes up and he says, I'm not this body, I'm something else. So if I am not the body, then who am I? That's where the question comes. Right? So, I'm not your answer, but my question is, so therefore if simply I, who hasn't had that experience, sit down and keep saying, who am I, who am I, who am I, do you think I'll reach there? Or maybe I'll just be chanting a mantra, who am I? Which is also okay, I'm not saying anything wrong. Yeah, so I am saying, many people, if you go in that area today, you'll find many people who imitate him. What is the imitation? They wear a loin, this cowpin, and they sit somewhere and say, who am I, who am I? Does it work? It's a special person. We have no knowledge of any teacher that he had. Nothing. So, one side of the story. The other is, if you read any of the ancient texts, I don't want to give you an answer because I want you to look at this yourself. One, the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. It's an ancient Upanishad, very big. It's actually, according to its name, Brihadaranyaka, the great forest. Sometimes you go into the maze and you don't know how to get out of it. Yajnavalkya is answering this question to his wife Maitri. He says, Maitri, you love your son not because you love your son, because you love the self. You love me not because you love me, but because of the self. You love the self. Now this can be interpreted in two ways. It can mean that all the things that we call love is just selfish because I love only myself. The other interpretation is we love anything because in essence everybody is the true self, the absolute self. So when you look at this question, you should to go this way. Am I only this body? Could there be something beyond? Since you don't have that, we don't get that experience like Ramana Maharshi at that age. So, shall I go deep into my mind and figure out if there is something more than that? I think that's the way to follow. If you ask me, do you know? I can tell you that I know that I am not this limited self. I cannot say more than that to this question.
Can I have one more question, sir?
There's a young Theosophist. Oh, somebody else?
Okay, can
No, I want to ask, you said that we need the master to grow and the spirit to act our spiritual growth. But it's not possible that we can understand things and we can find our inner master through the understanding of our experiences. And also another thing that you said also that we cannot become as Krishnamurti, but for instance in the Christianity we have many examples of sinners that become saints.
Two things I want to say. This is the last question, but poignant question. First, let me start with your second question, okay? I had the privilege of going to the Vatican, to Rome, during this Pope's time, the present Pope's time. And he was speaking. Of course, it was in Latin, but it was being interpreted by a cardinal into English, translated. It was Spanish, English, and so on. It's like the United Nations. So, one of the things he said, since you mentioned saint and all that, was really touched me. He said, every saint has a past, and therefore, every sinner has a future. You get what it implies? It's tremendous. It means there is nobody who can, some aberrations may be there, but then it is through that you rise to perfection, right? That is the second part of your question. The first part of your question was whether the master has to be physical or whether it could also be inside. You can also have a spiritual guide in your own mind, yes, I agree. But very often we don't know if what comes through that is my own thought or coming from some other source. Difficult to distinguish. While when you have a teacher with you, then you don't have to have that doubt because it's coming directly. One. The second thing is, it's very difficult these days to find a spiritual teacher because everything is stereotyped, right? When you go to a teacher, you expect the teacher to be, something. Either he's wearing some special robes or something. It's difficult, therefore, to really figure out. My suggestion is, instead of running around trying to figure out who your master is, if your intention is really serious and you brook no interference, and you will not agree for anything less, then believe me, there are forces on this earth, in this universe, not earth, who will become your teachers. There are forces in this universe who are looking actually. It's not as if there is no dearth of guru, there is a dearth of disciples. So, if you're serious, I'm sure you'll find one proper teacher. Okay, now don't judge by your preconceived ideas of how a teacher should be. So, I'm going to conclude with a little story which comes from Sufi sources about the master, since you asked me the question. There was a young man in the Middle East, because all Sufi stories are set in the Middle East, who, when he was a small boy, had great aspiration, spiritual aspiration. There was a flame burning in him. At the same time, he was born in a very poor family. He was very poor, so he suffered poverty. So he also had this desire to become rich, to grow. So, at some point, this desire for spiritual perfection disappeared. It was overtaken by the desire to become big and rich. So he worked very hard and he became a rich man. Now, in that context, a rich man is a merchant. There are many caravans and so on. So when he reached the age of 55, when he could buy anything that money could buy, because the flame, the original spiritual flame was still there in him, he discovered that happiness and satisfaction and tranquility cannot be bought by money, however much you have. Because there was this inside him, the subconscious was working. So he decided, now I've done my best in the world, material world. I will just keep a small cottage in an oasis. Oases are not important for us because we have enough water and trees everywhere, but in a desert, an oasis is very important. So he bought himself a little oasis, built a small cottage there, distributed all his wealth to his people, dependents and relatives and everybody. Just took all the... But one thing, throughout all these years, he'd been gathering a lot of books on wisdom, which he used to read. So he made a small library in the cottage, took all the books there, and said, now I've decided to stay here and pursue my primary spiritual concern. But after having lived for 55 years as a rich man, he'd even forgotten how to make a cup of tea. Yeah. So he went looking in the village for somebody to cook for him. You have to eat, right? So he found a cook and he took him and went to the oasis. He lived in the cottage with all his books, reading, regularly meditating. 7 years passed. The end of 7 years, he understood that for this particular venture, spiritual venture, I think I need a guru, a teacher. Took him 7 years because it's largely uncharted territory. I need someone who knows. So what did he do? He went looking for a teacher. You know, you have this stereotyped idea of teachers. So he went looking in the deserts, in the caves, in the mountains, wherever. And one day, he was not satisfied with anybody he saw. And one day he saw a person, you know, the stereotype of with a long beard and a turban and wearing rosaries and having that strange look on his face and smiling. You know, they didn't have moisturizers then, but you can use coconut oil anyway. And then he saw this man coming. So he went to him and he was tall, well-built, very serene-looking guy. So he went to him and said, "Sir, I think you are a great spiritual master. Can you make me your disciple?" This man said, "Look, how do you know first that I am a great spiritual master? You don't know. Okay, even if you think so, I cannot make you my disciple unless I ask my guru." He said, "Please go and ask him. I am very eager to do this." He said, "This is the problem. For 7 years he has disappeared. I don't know where he is. When I find him, I will ask him and then take you as my disciple." This guy said, "If you describe your guru, 2 hands are better than 1. I can also help you to find him. You give me a description." So he said he is very short. He doesn't wear upper garments except a towel on his shoulders. And he wears a small lungi and is barefooted. I said, "Okay." And he's a very good cook. He said, "Only just a minute. The description that you gave me just now sounds like my cook. So, will you come to my house? Maybe, we don't know." So he said, "Okay." So they went. So the kitchen door opened and this guy with the towel came out. As soon as he came out, this man prostrated before him, full, what you call shashtang. And he said, "Master, where have you disappeared for 7 years?" He said, "I was trying to teach this man." He said, "But," he said, "he has been here with you for 7 years. Yeah, it took me 7 years to convince him that he needed a teacher. Right? So now that he knows, You please take care of him and make him your disciple, because I have other things to do, and walked away from the... This is a Sufi story. It's like a Zen story. It has many strands. Put them together. Look at them. And wish you all good luck that you find a good master. Thank you very much. Now, traditionally, we need to say Shanti before we conclude a satsang. This was a satsang, it was not a talk. So, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you. Dhanyavad.